Hi, this is Angelo from Leaseweb. As a part of the customer support team, I am proud to introduce you to Public Cloud, Leaseweb Public Cloud. Sometimes seasonal demand fluctuations can happen and cause frustrating business losses and extra costs, right? Well, with Leaseweb Public Cloud, that's no longer a problem.
When needing extra scalability, our service will allow you to scale up your computing workloads onto Leaseweb Public Cloud to increase efficiency. As simple as that.
And you may say, nice, but what about the costs? With Leaseweb Public Cloud's on-demand pricing model, you only pay for the resources you use. Scale up during peak times and quickly and easily scale down when traffic returns to normal, optimizing your expenses along the way. But wait, there's more. You can say goodbye to expensive maintenance costs on infrastructure. What's the cherry on top? The fact that we get to work together. This is Leaseweb Public Cloud, where performance, price, and personal touch unite.